tire spin. Noak's going to be on his heels. Oh, Noak gets it turned around. Arlo going to shoot the 2. Who is that? See when they come around. Maybe Castro, if I'm not mistaken. Noak way back. And Brunel. Noak trying to go to the top of Brunel. But Strange and Arlo are gone. Strange, Arlo already separated by 2 seconds. So Arlo, oh, our leader turns it over. Here comes Arlo to the lead. So the Associated white, red, yellow versus the Lucy white, red, yellow coming over the front section into the step up. Arlo to the lead into the 5-pack. Gets a little out of shape on the step up again. The A2 nerves, he's feeling it a little bit. Arlo keeping the pressure on him. Hold that lead. We're rooting for Arlo. We want to see a battle in AMA number 3. Arlo and Strange are nice and clean. Strange's got a funny looking rear wing going on right now. Strange, a little bit of a horsepower advantage on Arlo. So remember guys, they're coming up on some lappers real fast. Arlo gets him on the pipe. And Stranger's going to go to the lead. Okay guys. As your leaders, the red and white trucks coming on you. You guys are going to get room and get it to the big hurry. Don't wait till it's too late. Two minutes down, 4 minutes to go. A lot going on early here. Already Strange and Arlo lapping most of the field. And Brunel holding solid in the number 3 spot. Leads ways back. Noak making his way back to the 4. Castro in the 5. Goes forward, beating the Suits and Rude rounding out the field. Fast lap of the race. Arlo 16.9. Stranger making a little bit of space here and hopefully not traffic between him and Arlo. And he's starting to gain some ground on Arlo at this point. Halfway point of the race. Stranger pounding nails into the coffin. Gonna wrap up his first belt here if he can. Looks like he's smoothing out a little bit wider lines, a little slower laps, much safer, still fast enough when he's got a big lead like that. Every time he comes up with any lap traffic, they just tumble out of his way. A little bit of super good luck there for Stranger. Nice and smooth, double single. I swear it's faster. If you have a motor to clear it easy, then it seems to be safer to go ahead and double triple, but good job, Thomas. Good. Mr. Carlos in there. Well, that's Stranger. Man. Thomas just watching Brian pass it over. Oh, our leader didn't end up on the pipe. That's going to give Arlo about a second, but still not quite enough. He's moving over straight away back. Just under 2 minutes left in the race. 4-second lead for Arlo. 3 seconds back is Brunel with 3. Noak 6 seconds back in the course. Feel free to spread out. We're going to have up in this AMA number 2. So unless something pretty catastrophic happens for Mr. Brian Strange, he'll be wearing a Strange belt home. He'll be our first champion here this weekend at the NorCal Challenge. Fastest lap of the race so far, but now 66. 5-pack. In the pro line, teardrops. Down the straightaway, half the straightaway distance from Arlo to Burnell. 18 seconds up on the clock. We'll be doing 2 more. Eddie, a little out of shape coming out of the 5-pack. Still gaining ground on Arlo. Tokyo drift for Burnell. Couple tenths closer. Race clock has expired. Eddie Burnell, you are done. David Castro, you are done. Nelson B, you are done. Thomas Ford, you are done. Stranger, winner, NorCal Championship, Open Truck Modified. You are done. James Harlan, number 2.